welcome back. My name is Greg Von Tobel. I'm the president and founder of Prisoners for Christ Outreach Ministries. We're a ministry that's dedicated to taking the gospel of Jesus Christ into the jails, prisons, and juvenile institutions of the world. And I'm doing a video. This is our third video on how to pack for your international mission trip. The first video, we talked about packing for your day pack. The second video, we talked about your carry-on luggage for the airplane. And today, we are going to talk about packing your checked luggage. And so we want to welcome you here today. We have a lot to cover today, and so I'm going to go rather quickly. This particular bag I bought, probably about 10 years ago. Bought it at REI, very durable. On the back it has some straps, so if you ever need to strap it on as a backpack and get up and go, you can certainly do that. So it's got 3 compartments. This first compartment is a zip release that you can also use as a day pack. I also pack this full of stuff on the outside. My goal, as I mentioned in the very first video, was move from about 50 pounds to about 35 pounds. My ultimate goal is to get this bag weighing less than 30 pounds. And so I'm going to show you what I've done thus far. We're going to jump in here right now. We're going to open up the main compartment of this piece of luggage. And I'm going to go over this rather quickly. Very first thing I'm pulling out here is my flip-flops. I carry these wherever I go, just in case for taking showers if they aren't supplied by the hotel. I'm going to go over my toiletry bag, and as you can see, it is clear. And I discovered this on Amazon about a year ago. And remember, one of our rules was clear versus opaque, and so this way, by having it clear, I can see everything that I need to get to. So this first compartment, we're not going to go over everything in this, but as you can see, I have a simple pocket knife here. I have hand sanitizer. I will go over this. This is a rather nifty foldable toothbrush that has worked really well. Very small, very compact, it folds up, very easy to clean. Also in this outside pocket, I have my shaver. On the inside, I have this pretty well jammed to the gills. I also bring my second headlight. Always want to have that in the bathroom. I can't tell you how many times I've been in a shower and the electricity has gone off. So it's always good to have one of these very quick in the bathroom that you go to. Also have deodorant and all of my toiletries. Everything I try to do is very compact. Here's some Advil, Tylenol. Here we have some Advil, Pepto-Bismol tablets. Everything is condensed in this toiletry bag. Also, what else can I show you in here? Here's something that I found, which is rather unique. This is a Neosporin container. Instead of bringing the big tube of Neosporin, they now have this little container of Neosporin. So if you get cut, you just spread some of this on the cut and then put it on, put a Band-Aid on it. Also, in this, as in the other videos I've shared with you, I carry my toilet paper in the form of Kleenex, not the big rolls of toilet paper. So this is my toiletry bag. Now, let's get into some of the things that I pack. Now, as you remember, in the first video, I suggested to you that you start learning to pack with Ziploc bags, and everything I pack is in a Ziploc bag, either the small ones or the jumbo ones. This is a 2.5 gallon one, and you would be absolutely shocked what you can fit into this 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag. So again, I label everything because in a dark hotel room, in a closet, or in a drawer, and you got a bunch of these bags, it will save some time. So I've just gone ahead and labeled some of these Ziploc bags. And so this one has all my pants in it that I will wear. Now I do have a rule of thumb when packing this luggage, and that is one set of clothes for every 2 days. Now that works for me. I know it might not work for some of you, but in order to condense the weight, I've chosen a set of clothes for every 2 days. And here we have the pants. I use cargo pants primarily, and then I've gotten this particular pair of pants that I absolutely love. Got to show you this. These are very durable, and this is the brand Cool brand, KUHL. They have their logo on the back pockets, but you can get these at REI. Very durable, very lightweight, very breathable, and I would encourage you to check that out if you're going to do a number of mission trips. All right, so we have one bag, pants. All right, the next bag. Okay, so as president, whenever I do a conference, a teaching conference for pastors, the very first day I always come with a coat and tie. And so the question is, how do you pack a coat this size into one of these Ziploc bags? And let me tell you, it's not as difficult as it may sound. And so here we have a sample of a sport coat folded up neatly inside of this Ziploc bag. You might be thinking, okay, what's it going to look like when it comes out? In reality, you hang it up the first night, let the wrinkles fall out of it, and it's in pretty good shape. So the other thing that I like about the Ziploc bags is that you can burp these bags and roll them up and get all the air out to condense it. You don't need one of those expensive systems to get the air out. And I will tell you that in the beginning, I used to use all sorts of packing compartments, and as you can see, they're very nice and very durable, but I've fallen in love with the Ziploc bags, and that's what I choose to pack with. In addition, I forgot to tell you that if by chance you want to label your bags, you can get these labels at Avery. I believe it's Avery 5978, and they give you an assortment of different colors so you can print up your own labels. All right, underwear or undershirts. So I have another bag for undershirts. I have another bag for underwear. So I have my underwear and I have my socks on this side. And then we have my dress shirts. I use all of the travel shirts. I have completely converted over to strictly travel shirts. They are so durable and so lightweight, very breathable. If you're going to do more than one mission trip a year, I would certainly encourage you, not all at once, but start replacing some of your shirts with these travel shirts. And you can get them on REI. You can go to Big Five. Big Five typically has sales on them from time to time. Okay, so on the bottom of my bag, so everything is layered here. The things that most likely I won't need, hopefully, I put on the bottom so I never have to get to them. But here we have a bag that's called As Needed, okay? And on top of that is a big sheet of mosquito netting. If I ever get into a situation where there is no mosquito netting over the bed, I can certainly pull this out and feel pretty comfortable with that. And then over here, I have a travel towel that I use. There have been numerous times that we've been just totally exhausted as we rolled into our hotel at the end of the day with early evening coming on, wanting to take a hot shower, only to find out no towels around. So I always bring a fold-up packable towel. All right, some other things. In one of the videos, we're going to talk about staying healthy on trips, and we have a team medical kit that we bring. But I also bring my own little supply of medical needs, and as you can see, as needed. I never get into this unless I am feeling like I'm getting sick. So what do I have in here? I have, again, some more toilet paper. I have Dayquil and NyQuil. I have, well, let me just take some of these things out. I also have a fairly good stash of powdered Gatorade. So if myself or anybody else, this is also in the team medical kit, but you got 2 people down, you certainly don't want to run out of hydration. So this is good to get the electrolytes back into you. What else do I have? I have sore throat lozenges. I have, what else in here? Tylenol, more Tylenol. Have an extra set of glasses. So these are things that, as you can see, as needed. Also on this side, we also have some snacks, a bag of snacks. These are personal snacks that I use throughout the trip, just to keep the tinges of hunger away from me, so that I'm not focused in on that. And then, oh, this is a must. I don't want to be mixing dirty clothes with clean clothes, so I have a separate bag that I just keep to the side of the suitcase in case, or whenever I change clothes, I just throw it in here and forget about it. What else do we have in here? We have an emergency kit. We have another pocket knife over here. On the back side, you can see I have one of these all-purpose tools. We have just a very small roll of duct tape, and in here you can see I have some tie tabs. Never needed to use this, but it's there in case anything breaks and we need to. You can solve the problems of the world with one roll of duct tape. All right, so we're going to close today. This is our third video clip on packing your checked luggage. I hope some of these ideas were helpful for you. Again, you can email me with your ideas at gvtpfy@gmail.com. That's gvtpfy@gmail.com.